So if someone has a child in a country and chooses to segregate that child from the dominant language and culture of that country, a language and culture that is associated with the darkest skinned, lowest class of people in the country, I mean, I probably would find it interesting, but given the status quo, not surprising. This is one of the reasons why linguists have been fighting to get Jamaican Patois recognized as its own language and not as a bastardization of English. Just like any other language, Jamaican Patois has rules of pluralization. Jamaican Patois has rules of past tense and present tense. And the reason it remains a spoken language and not a written one is because we've never taught people how to write it the way we teach people to write English. And as long as Jamaican Patois is considered a bastardization of English, then it will be referred to as a broken language, hence why it has always been relegated to the language of the lower class. Same with dancehall. Dancehall emerged because dark-skinned Jamaicans wanted music that represented us. We wanted music that represented our experiences. We wanted music that entertained us and music that uplifted us. We wanted music that came from us, for us. And of course, dancehall is not palatable to everyone. I myself don't like every dancehall artist or every era of dancehall music. But I can also acknowledge that dancehall is an integral part of Jamaica's music culture and Jamaican culture overall. And my child who grew up listening to dancehall is no worse off than anyone else's.